Hello everybody! Welcome to Creating the Basic Adaptable Game Engine Library, Part 49, Asteroids Game Design. Well, we've finished the Basic Adaptable Game Engine Library, so now we'd like to see exactly how adaptable it is and try to make some other games other than Starfish Collector. So the first game we'll try to replicate is a modern take on the classic arcade game Asteroids. In this game, you control a spaceship, and the goal of this spaceship is to shoot lasers and destroy these asteroids. So, what are the features we need to implement for this game? Well, the setting is outer space, so we're going to use a background image of maybe a star field, and all the different sprites in the game will wrap around the screen. That'll make the game feel a little bit larger. The movement controls for the spaceship are a little bit different than they were for the turtle and Starfish Collector. In this case, the spaceship can rotate to the left and to the right, and then it will accelerate in whatever direction it faces. In addition, the deceleration will be a little bit slow for this game, so the controls will feel a little bit slippery. Right? In order to stop, you'll have to turn around and apply thrust in the opposite direction. The rocks will move around the screen in straight lines, and we'll randomize both their positions and their initial directions. In particular, we're going to be careful to make sure that they're moving away from the spaceship and they do not overlap it when the game begins. And they'll move slower than the spaceship as well. There will be some lasers in the game. The spaceship is going to shoot lasers, and the lasers don't just move around the screen forever, they'll eventually fade out and disappear from the game. And of course, the reason we're shooting lasers is to destroy the rocks. So if a laser intersects a rock, or if it overlaps a rock, then both the rock and the laser will be destroyed. We'd also like to add some special effects to this game that appear when the rocks are destroyed. And so we'll add an explosion sprite sheet. And so this will just create a nice special effect. And also, in the original Asteroids game, the spaceship was destroyed after it was hit by a single rock, but in our game we'd like the spaceship to possibly last a little bit longer. So in order to enable the spaceship to take multiple hits, I kind of think of this as health points of a sort, we'll add a shield object. It'll be something which surrounds the spaceship and can block a number of hits. In addition, the original Asteroids game had this interesting feature where when you destroyed a large rock, it would often shatter into smaller rocks that moved a little bit faster. So we'll also add this feature as well. And of course, we could add features all day, every day. But what we'll do is, after adding this core set of features, then we'll have a discussion about the other features that you could choose to add using the functionality available in the Basic Adaptable Game Engine Library. So that is the plan to create the Space Rocks game. So over the next set of videos, we'll add this series of features, and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.